Headers are on, exhaust is hooked up to the headers and the collectors, bolted down. Motor mounts aren't tight yet. Don't want to forget that, that'd be fun.
No, we don't want to forget that. Yeah,
That'd be real fun. But got these schwanky hardware store Allen head bolts with lock washers. And then a fancy exhaust gasket, which is this Rim Flex. Unfortunate name. Apparently it's one of the better gaskets you can get. So shouldn't leak anymore like it did before. That would be great. Yes, from this point on we just put the intake manifold on, valve covers, and hook up the fuel and all the electric crap, and fill it with oil. Start it. Then if it starts and whatnot, then we start putting back the radiator. So that'd be cool. I think we're done for tonight. I guess we'll finish tomorrow. Sound good?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm fucking tired. A lot of fighting today. I'm pretty worn out after fucking basically maneuvering that engine around by hand.
Telling it what to do.
Yeah. But she's in there, so that's, you know, that's what counts. We actually did something. This morning it was out here. Now it's in there. The day before that it was in pieces all over the garage. Like, stuff's getting done.
Yeah, all the pistons was in that box, and all the rings were in that box over there, and all that. Yada yada yada. Getting it done. So I should be driving tomorrow. Unless something bad happens.
Should be driving tomorrow unless something bad happens. If nothing bad happens and we are driving tomorrow, you guys might get some road footage. Road footage.
Of him doing a sweet burnout.
Sweet
When
burnout.
the motor's not broken in and then blows a rod.
No,
But-
like, I don't think there'll be many burnouts on purpose, but, like,
Oh yeah.
you guys haven't seen the outside, but it's...
Oh, I got footage of that. I got
Did you?
footage. Yeah, this
Yeah,
morning.
it's snowing outside, so that's awesome. But yeah, I mean, damn, you know, farther than we were, and it looks better than it did. So,
Okay, bye.
okay, bye.
24 hours later.
Anyway, we put the motor together. Yeah, so that's cool.
You're updating the camera. They know we put it together. They watched us put it together. They just don't know that it is together.
That works beautiful. It's awesome.
Are we doing what, like half on one side, half on the other?
Yeah. This does take 5 quarts, right? Because we always
I
just
think
bought
so.
one.
Yeah, it takes.
If it isn't, it's like 4.5.
Yeah, it takes.
So you might as well pour it all in.
It'll burn it all real quick because there's no sealing on the rings yet. So. Uh-oh. Pouring out the bottom. Something is.
Yeah.
Heard something.
It might be it going to the pan.
That could be true.
You have to plug in the pan, right?
Yeah, no, the plug's in the pan.
I don't see any
I
dripping.
You gotta wait for it to get out.
Need a flashlight?
No, I don't see anything. It'd be as steady as stream coming out when I'm hearing here.
Alright, let's go to the other side. But yeah, no,
It's never a good noise though. I don't like it.
Yeah, but I guarantee you it's just going down in the empty pan.
Hey, Dad, you don't want to waste that $15 Walmart oil.
Well, kind of nice not to have it spilled all over.
So you can tell anyone all the shortcuts you made at work? Like, I broke my motor in with $12 5-quart of oil.
Oh yeah.
One stainless steel exhaust valve.
Yeah, one. No, in my books it's aluminum. But yeah, one stainless steel exhaust valve in the entire engine. That's what's up. It's the upgrades that come.
eBay cylinder heads.
That was a free stainless steel valve, by the way.
$20 upgrade for free. Oh boy. I need to open the garage door, right? It's gonna get loud.
Maybe a little bit.
Matt, you have no hand. You're missing a hand.
I know. This is after my amputee days.
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah.
Do it a
Turn
couple
back
more
again.
times. You gotta get the fuel rail lit. Lit like the kids say. Hold on, boy. Hold on, boy. Hold on, boy.
Try it again.
Hold on, boy. Make sure nothing's gonna hit something. Look good. Comparison. Yeah.
Here, let me, hold on a second, let me see if it,
What's that?
come on, a little Schrader valve something.
Yeah.
I'll see if it's got gas.
I got gas.
Yeah, I guess try again for a moment. Is your computer grounded good and all? Or do you have a,
I've touched it.
oh, is there a wire going to the, is there a wire going to the body?
Yeah, there's
Right there in the front.
one right there. And then there's
Ground it real quick and see if it's still a problem with the jumper cable. But earlier, like, it wasn't even doing that. Click.
yeah, it's click 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 click. Check spark. Let's see if the coil's going getting.
Yeah.
I was the battery and that's why.
Still, what the heck is that noise?
No, well, trying to make sure that everything's got electricity to run.
Okay.
Garage door?
What?
No.
Garage door?
Oh, garage door.
I'm gonna die right now.
Let's see what it does.
There's gonna be smoke coming off the headers.
Yeah, turn it off. That's
Yeah, smoke coming off the headers of paint.
it's not
Yes.
clear a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, dinner time.
Yeah.
Ugh, burning paint.
That.
Yeah, that's burning paint, guys. Welcome to real life. Doctor?
Yeah.
Doctor? Nurse?
No. Mm. You can finally put it all back together, right?
Yeah, now we're
This
just
thing would have lit up right up the first time.
right. Would have lit right up the first time.
Just like you turned it off.
Dude, it sounded so good. It sounded 3 times better than what it did when we shut it. Oh, the exhaust.
Yeah.
The natural sound of it sounded 1,000 times better.
Okay, so everything in the truck is put back together now. Truck is on the ground.
hood is there, because I'm not going to put it back on until we know the truck works.
Yeah.
And now we're going to go do the braking test up the road slightly. Just enough where should it blow up or something, we'll just push it back down the road.
Yeah.
As far as we know, everything is tightened on it.
Yeah.
As far as we know.
Yeah.
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 So, we're going to do that now. Be back in a little bit. Or, I'll record video of us driving up the road or something, but I need to change the battery, so grab it. Alright, made it back. How'd you sound?
Sounded amazing. During the break-in, holding it at $2.5 grand, she sat at $2.5 grand. Never changed a single lick of sound.
Didn't even knock
Just,
or nothing.
just sat there right at it for the whole time. Sounded like a generator, just for constantly. Temperature did great, came up. Oil pressure did great. Came up and flexed back down, but it was right around the same
One
time.
thing I'm worried about is the temperature gauge needs fixed or something.
Yeah, it needs adjusted, but that's not something that's wrong with this. That was a previous problem. Even with when I first got it, it never sat in the right spot. But never,
It sounds like running super cold, but everyone looks at the job we got here. So headers, and there's the plugs. Those are 7.5mm Mopar Performance ones. The Mopar Performance Magnum valve covers. I think it all looks pretty clean.
Got the nasty fat ass normal intake manifold.
It's cold air intake. Look, see, it pulls
it is-
right from there.
It is cooled air intake. That's one bonus.
It just needs a really new filter. The one that's garbage.
Got this shit fucking fan holding back my ponies
Yeah, eventually.
that I need to get rid of because
Because
ponies.
the engine master said so.
Yeah. By the way, give me that light. Let me see that one. Get down.
I kind of heard something waving back and forth in here. I don't know if there's a fan blowing this back and forth or there's just something rattling towards in front of the fan. Something plasticky sounding.
Probably this. Probably the shroud. The fan looks the same.
I bet that thing tightened itself up real good.
Yeah, it looks the same.
Got the
You got the new ground wire on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you
Brand
guys
new
haven't seen
wire.
that. Yeah, brand new ground wire
Thing's
because
huge.
that is the ground on the truck.
yep, that's the one
There's
ground.
there's this one and then there's the one that comes off the battery neutral
Yep.
into the wall. So there's two. There's one on this side of the engine and there's one on this
So
side.
there
of
used
the
to be
engine.
two, one that, well actually probably three. One here on the head and two on the back of the other heads.
Mm-hmm.
They were gone when we got it. That's kind of why it's garbage. That
Yeah.
should hold the entire vehicle as far as I know. That thing is enormous compared to the factory ones. The factory ones are probably like,
Teeny tiny.
I don't know what gauge, like 20 gauge wire maybe?
Yeah, nothing like this. We kind of went overboard, but we were like, we want
I-
something that looks nice.
I didn't think it
And
was going to be that big. I
and
thought it was
we'll
going to be
do
like
it.
one of the
Yeah.
auto parts store like this,
like
this big. Yeah.
That's what, honestly, when we were at the auto parts
Yeah,
stores,
yeah.
I was
yeah.
picturing something that big.
Yup.
And they had like they had like not even half that, but like a quarter of that. And we were like, I could just buy some wire and get what you're giving me here
So we're waiting
for
for the
fancy dollars.
We're waiting for the motor to cool down so we can retorque the exhaust bolts, which don't really need to be retorqued from what the packaging says. So if we go off what the packaging says, we don't need to, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Change the oil and add water. And this feels cool, but like this radiator hose is hot, so I don't believe it. I can tell there's air in it right now.
Yeah. Hose is warm. The radiator's still pretty warm.
It's cool enough to actually open the cap though.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna change oil, retorque some crap, and if we can find the other hood nuts, we're gonna put the hood back on.
We're gonna put the hood back on
Either way, yeah.
But if we find the other nuts, that'd be fantastic. If we don't, then it looks like I am going to a trip to Nuts and Bolts, and I'm not sure how I'm going to size it or anything. So,
Got two more cars.
huh?
Got two more cars. Drive all the way there to drive all the way back to put stupid nuts on the hood.
Yeah. I'd much rather just like cut like me and you just go up there pop the one nut off and then kind of just set the hood back down with it unlatched, you know?
Yeah.
Run in there, grab what we need, and run back out and screw them both on.
But yeah, anyway, there's that update. We're gonna do all that.
Shit, we said.
Yeah, and then I may or may not edit this video into one thing as soon as possible, or give it a week or two, get another update, finish the video off, be all like kosher, it's good, didn't blow up. DJ's getting better gas mileage than he was before, magically. I don't know.
I know that it's already getting way better. It just feels better. I don't know how to explain that. More solid. More, I don't know. There.
Well, I guess it doesn't sound like a Harley anymore.
Yeah.
Exhaust leak.
That thing was pissing me off. Hardcore. I'm super glad we got everything buttoned.
Yep. Had these gaskets laying around for like a year.
Yeah, dude, we had the gaskets. He bought me the gaskets for birthday present, or was it Christmas? I can't remember. I think one was a birthday and the other one was a Christmas. And anyways, got these 2 gaskets, stuck them in the closet. Bunch of shit's happened. We've moved, and then he got this garage. He broke his car down in here because it was broke down up where we were living, and got it here after we got it running, fixed it some more, and then immediately this. Then
Every time.
this has been the project since then, and then after this,
I think we should get Fords.
whatever else. You shut the fuck up. You shut the fuck up.
They seem to run
Yeah.
and never blow up. Just
Do
kidding.
they?
No, I didn't. Oh yeah, if I got an F-150 6-cylinder, it would never blow up.
Well, you know what's funny? It's kind of funny. Is like I'm repairing this in the garage, fixing it from top to bottom and shit. And my work gave me an F-250 to drive every day as a daily, like a fucking slap in the face.
To be honest, if this blows up, it's getting towed with a Ford somehow. I know that's what's happening.
Oh yeah, probably. They'll probably get towed with the one Ford big rig tow truck around here.
Yep.
He'll be the one that shows up to tow us,
Yep.
and
So anyway.
he'll be like, "You should have got a Ford."
Gonna get to work. Peace out.
Solo.